DeLonghi 1500W Convector Panel Heater, sold by Amazon.ca. Introducing the DeLonghi Convector Panel Heater, designed for fast, efficient heating with 1500 watts of power. Ideal for medium to large rooms, it's perfect for bedrooms or any space in your home. This versatile heater offers both freestanding and wall mount options, with pre-assembled feet for convenience. Save energy with the Eco Plus function, adjusting heat for comfortable and economical warmth. Safety features include a thermal shutoff and internal tip-over switch for peace of mind. Enjoy improved heat distribution with a dual lateral fan system, warming rooms faster and more evenly. Customize your comfort with digital controls, an adjustable thermostat, and a 24-hour timer. The anti-freeze setting prevents frozen pipes, activating automatically when temperatures drop below 5 degrees Celsius. Lightweight and portable, it features a carrying handle for easy relocation to any room in your house. Rated 4.3 stars. Order today for $169.99.